In this video, we're going to cover how Kylie Cosmetics is making her customers spend as much as possible so that she can profit as much as possible. And we're going to cover 5 things that they're doing on their store to incentivize their customers to spend more, with the 5th one being the most impactful. And if you own an e-commerce store, you'll be able to apply these things to your store to increase how much your customers spend with you and ultimately increase your profit margin. So the first thing that she does here is that she uses the reciprocity principle free gift. So let's see how it looks on her Shopify store. So let's say we are looking at this perfume and we want to add it to the cart. We want to buy it probably. So we add it to the cart, and in the cart drawer, we get this prompt at the top: free puffer bag gift. So the reciprocity principle basically means that when somebody is giving you something for free, you feel kind of obligated to give it back to them. And in this case, if their customers feel like they've gotten something for free, they kind of feel obligated to return the favor back and ultimately place the order, right? They've gotten something for free, so now I just want to give back to them, right? Also, the thing about this is that she utilizes this message at the top, which says online exclusive limited time offer. So by having the urgency and the reciprocity in there, she's massively increasing her conversion rate on this product. The thing is that this puffer bag doesn't cost like $1, but if it increases her conversion rate by at least 0.5%, it will be a massive uplift in her revenue and ultimately her profit margin. So you can just click on this add button here and it will be added to the cart completely for free. And now you have one more reason to continue with placing the order. This is a very powerful principle. It's used by many brands, and if you have some items that are very low cost for you but have a high perceived value for your customers, it can be a very good idea to try to see if adding that as a free gift can help you uplift your conversion rate. So this is a very good example how she does that in the cart drawer, so that they add it instantly to the cart and they feel that need to proceed with placing the order. So very good thing. Then the next thing that we have here about this store is that she uses the free shipping on orders over $40. So let's explore some other products, because this product already qualifies for the free shipping, so it's not really interesting one. So let's go to the cosmetics. Let's find, for example, this tint brush. So let's add it to the cart. And now that you're in the cart drawer, you can see at the top you're only $19 away from free shipping. A really good thing and important thing here is that now she gamifies her customers' experience on her store, so that they feel that if they spend more, they will get more. And you can see she has this visual threshold at the top, which gives more of that gamification feeling, right? And that way, she just incentivizes her customers to spend more to get something for free. In this example, free shipping. People really hate paying for shipping, and if they can just evade that and not pay it, they will be happy to do so. And also when they get the free shipping, they kind of justify in their brain that they've gotten something for free, so that's why they bought more. That's why they bought like 3 or 4 items, and you ultimately end up spending more with this brand. So what you can do, you can just like have this in your cart drawer. You can have also the announcement bar at the top, which says like you're $20 away from the shipping or stuff like that. There's a lot of the apps on the Shopify store. If you don't know, just let me know in the comments and I will write them. And this is really powerful thing to help you with increasing your AOV. But the thing with this feature is that if you just have that feature, it's not going to work well, which is why I have connected the second one and the third one. And the third thing is that we have here the upsells in that cart drawer. So as you can see, while we're on this cart drawer, we have the item that's in the cart, and at the top we have the free shipping threshold. But for this to work very well, what you want to do, you want to have the upsells in your cart drawer so that they have means to achieve that goal. If you just give them that goal and it's really hard to go back and forth to explore more products, it's just going to be a friction for them, and for that reason they will just not spend more. What you want to do, you want to have this free shipping at the top, you want to have the visual threshold, and you want to have this, which is on the bottom. You want to have other items that they can easily click on and add to the cart and ultimately get that free shipping thing, right? So you can just click on this one. Now it's 36. Let's go. Let's say you have more items here. You can add more of them to the cart. You reach above $50, and now your order qualifies for free shipping. Your AOV is increased, and when they see this state of their cart, more of them will just proceed with placing the order, and therefore you increase the conversion rate and you increase your AOV, so you ultimately profit way more from your Shopify store. So very important thing, you should definitely test it out. Try these offers with the free shipping threshold. We've had like a lot of clients where we have tested this and have seen like massive uplift in the profit margin. So this is definitely a thing that you want to try on your store as well. But the thing is that once your customers have added all these things to the cart, now you want to make them pay for all these things, right? We have increased their cart size, but now we want them to pay. It's a higher amount than usual, right? But how do we make them pay? And this is where she utilizes the fourth technique, which is overlooked by many stores, and this is reducing the perceived cost. So what I mean by that? So in her cart drawer, as you can see, we have all the things that as we have mentioned, and now on the bottom we have this thing right below the checkout button, which basically says that you can pay in $51 or in 4 interest-free payments of $12.75 with Afterpay. So the thing that really helps her with increasing the conversion rate is how high the perceived cost of their visitor is. So when your customers have to pay your thing that you sell, they have the perceived cost in their mind. If it's $100, it's going to be higher than $50, which is kind of obvious. But what you can do if you sell items that cost like $100, or like in an example like this one, you can have pay in more installments, and therefore you reduce how high that perceived cost is. Because obviously, if your customers have to pay all at once, like $100 at once, it's going to feel way more painful than if they're going to pay 4 times of $25, right? So for that reason, what you can do is this thing here, and it's really good position to have it just below the add to cart button or just below the checkout, because these are the things, these are the buttons where your customers are about to proceed with placing the order or paying, right? So you want to make that feeling of paying as painless as possible, and this is one really good technique to help you with that. You can use Afterpay, you can use Klarna, and all these things will ultimately help you with increasing the conversion rate. They will still pay you how much they need you to pay, but the thing is that it's just going to be way less painful than if they pay the full price. So this is a very powerful things how you can increase your conversion rate, and especially if you want to increase the cart's value size, and now we want to decrease how painful it feels to pay for that full cart, right? So this is a very important thing. And the last thing that we have here, which is more powerful than all these techniques, which is the thing that really helps her like massively increase the profit margin and the repeat purchase rate, is that she uses the loyalty program, which is in her case called the Kylie rewards. So let's cover what is that. Whenever you add some item to the cart, you have the Kylie rewards, and where you can log in and earn some points with your purchase. So let's cover how the rewards page looks like so that we can see what her customers can get for these points that they earn. So here on the rewards page, we have a typical header part. We have how it works. You create an account, you earn points based on how much you spend, which is all typical and obvious. And now, what are the ways to earn rewards? So you can just spend $1 and earn 1 point. When you create an account, you get 25 points. When you follow them on Instagram, you get 20 points, and so on. So other than spending dollars, there are like other ways that you can earn the points. And the thing is that when you earn these points, you can just choose how you want to spend. You can get $10 off. You can get $25 off. You can even redeem to get products completely for free. For these points, you can choose any of these. And now you have 2 reasons to buy. You buy because you will get some product, you will get probably a free shipping, you get the free gift, and now you know that all your purchases are benefiting you long term. You're getting these points that you can spend later to get some free products and to get all these VIP tiers, which are the most important thing of this page. So in this page you have 4 tiers. The first one starting if you spend between $0 and $99, and the last one if you spend over $500. If you spend over $500, you will get things like free ground shipping with any order. So you can just like order any brush for, I don't know, $5 and you will get it for free. And this is very powerful for cosmetic niche, because in the cosmetic niche, you have a high repeat purchase rate. Women are just constantly buying these makeups and stuff. And if you get every time a free shipping, this is going to be a huge benefit for you, which gives you another reason to spend more and therefore at some point be rewarded for that. You also get the birthday gift, you get the anniversary gift, you get the access to invite only events and all these things that are for VIP customers. So this is a super powerful thing, and I highly encourage you to think of if it's possible to implement this for your store, to try to incentivize your customers to spend and have one more reason to spend with you, as they're getting some long-term benefits that they can use at any time given. So this is a really good thing, and it's no wonder why Kylie Cosmetics is like a 9-figure store or 10-figure store, I'm not sure, but they're using all these tactics that you can apply as well to your store and test if it helps you with increasing your profit margin. So That's it for this video. If you have any questions, let me know down in the comments. And if you'd like to receive my free conversion rate optimization trainings, click the link down below and watch the next video that will help you with increasing the conversion rate.